We knew we'd created something special when we started hearing the stories about how WeFeel helped therapists find breakthrough moments with their clients. One of the first was when Scott, a psychologist who helped us develop WeFeel, told us about a young lady he'd been treating for a while. A typical session went something like, "How have you been since we last met?" "Fine." "How's everything with your family?" "Okay." "Have you been writing in your journal?" "I forgot." "Did you keep track of how you were feeling this week?" "Oops." It's really difficult to make any progress when you get one-word answers. You've tried to get people to take the time each day to track their moods and emotions. You've asked them to write in a journal to express their feelings. But even with adults, it's like asking a teenager to keep their room clean. It just doesn't happen. But asking them to use their phone, well, that's not hard at all. It's asking them to stop it that's the problem. So what if they had therapy tools with them all the time on the device they already are in the habit of using? So Scott had her start logging her emotions using WeFeel. Her next session went something like, "Let's bring up the WeFeel dashboard page and see how you've been doing." "Okay." "Have you noticed the blue on this chart? It seems to happen every Sunday." "Nope." "Well, each time you wrote you felt sad on Sunday afternoons, you also wrote that you were feeling lonely. Maybe there's a pattern here. Why do you think you feel lonely on Sunday afternoons?" And that is what is so cool about WeFeel. It isn't there to replace you, their therapist. It's there to help you become a super therapist. You probably shouldn't wear a cape though. WeFeel runs on pretty much any mobile device or tablet, and it's like giving them a mental health care utility belt. Random prompts throughout the day to log how they feel. The ability to completely customize what they track. A dashboard helps see patterns that you've never been able to see with pen and paper journals. A toolbox helps with goal creation and tracking. A scratch pad for self-talk, and even has custom coping strategies that pop up when an entry matches what you've set up for them. WeFeel is only $20 a year for your clients, which is roughly the price of a couple of pens and notepads for journaling and mood tracking, that they likely would forget to use anyway. And best of all, it's free for mental health care professionals. So there you have it, a way to help you be the best therapist possible, and to help your clients be the best patient possible. Together with WeFeel, we know you'll find even more of those breakthrough moments. We look forward to hearing your stories. Please click the link below to get your free subscription.